This is the first installment of the first LT4 engine in an SLC to hit the streets. A lot of modifications to get it to fit properly and all the components that go with it. You notice right away that the throttle body is moved out away from the front of the engine. Kind of see the intake tube where it's connecting to the actual throttle. And then it takes a turn down to the air filter, the mass airflow in there. At first I was a little concerned about airflow and fluctuations, but with the same setup on the dyno, it ran perfectly, had no issues with it. Got plenty of air, kept it consistent. So with the system, it's got an oil cooler that's controlled by a thermostat on the side of the block. The factory engine comes with a oil cooler, but this one's more efficient, and there's been heating issues in the LT4s. The exhaust is ceramic coated. You can see the manifold, and it goes back into a crossover pipe, and that middle pipe has a electronic cutout switch which can be opened to bypass some of the air from some of the exhaust from the mufflers. You see the mufflers, and then it ends up grouped in the back in 3 pipes. Transaxle is a Graziano, 6-speed. The gearing's been changed. It'll be a 212-mile-an-hour car, and because the Graziano is originally made for the R8 and Lamborghinis, and they have a higher revving point than the LT and LS engines, so this matches the LT much better. Look, the whole frame is coated in heat reflective material, trying to keep it cooler overall. On the other side, you'll see the dry sump tank. It is a dry sump system. The oil's drawn from that into the oil pan, and then the pump then takes it from there. This way you don't have to worry about oil starvation at all. You can see the modification to get right there. The alternator gets real close to that frame. And you got to fit in an expansion tank for the coolant system and for the supercharger, which the supercharger pump is on the other side of the car. So that's the engine bay. Coming around to the interior. See, it's got tilt seats with red diamond stitching. See the stitching, and it has custom made headrest pads that say Superlight with the official Superlight symbol stitched on it. Carbon fiber seats. The dash is finished with Alsa soft feel paint. It's like a matte finish, and to the touch it feels soft. It's not quite like leather, but it's leatherish type feel. Got the Audi R8 Shifter in there, gated shifter with a custom made shifter knob from Racing, SENG. They make all kinds of adapter shift knobs that go from various threads to various threads. Center console has the backup monitor right in it, engine start up above, and then door switches and AC controls, heat controls down below it. Of course, the center consoles had to be custom made to fit the shifter and fit the whole car down around the bottom and everything. So hit the main power and the infinity power box system, the electrical system will come on. You can see the whole interior is carbon fiber, the overhead panel is carbon fiber. Got some Cypher seat belts. We hit the switch once and now we can look at the backup camera. Got an OMP steering wheel with a Raptor Pro steering wheel buttons. They're wireless, and so they're just touch them and it'll turn on things like the emergency flashers right there, turn them off. And this way the quick disconnect on the steering wheel can come off and you don't have to worry about disconnecting any wires or telephone cord type system. It's got the AIM MXL2 dash system, which hooks right into the computer, the engine computer, and it can put on the screen anything that the computer sees, it'll go there. Plus on top of that you get a GPS speedometer. It also has programmed in it tracks, GPS tracks. If you're ever going to be on the track, it'll show you where you are on the track. The red light's blinking because it's programmed. If oil pressure is below 20, it'll blink, and right now it's 0 because the car's not running, of course. And you can put in any parameters for flashing lights. The reason like I'll turn on the left signal light and the light will blink there. I had to tell the computer in that thing to if this is more than 4 volts, blink this light, basically is what you're doing. So the interior came out really nice. Really happy. We got the automatic doors again in this car. Here's the view out the front. You can see a couple SLCs in the works around it.